Good morning everyone, I hope you had a lovely weekend. Just a quick notice before I start. You will have noticed now that at morning break we are releasing you by bubble, in other words by year group, so that you don't all congregate in the corridor. So please be patient as someone walks around and then tells you can go out to break. Thank you. So first of all, my thanks to all of those who were responsible for Sunday's virtual remembrance service. It was wonderful and it received a lot of compliments from parents. So congratulations, thank you very much indeed. We will of course be out observing the 2-minute silence on Wednesday. We will be doing that up near the Remembrance Garden, or if it's raining, we'll be in classrooms. So that will take place at 11 o'clock on Wednesday, and we will be observing the 2-minute silence. I have a question for you, and the person who arrives at my office with the correct answer will receive a small prize, and the question is, what is the link between Amesbury and the Cenotaph in London where the remembrance service takes place? So what is the link between Amesbury and the Cenotaph in London where the remembrance service takes place? Not so long ago we had our Harvest Festival, and I have some thank you letters to read to you. This one is from the Clock House at Milford. Would you kindly convey my special thanks to all your lovely children of Class 1 for the wonderful gift of harvest goodies sent to the Clock House at Milford. We all had a super surprise and it was so kind and thoughtful. Bless them all in these difficult times. And then also from Shotter Mill House. Dear all at Amesbury School, we are so grateful to you for your generosity in donating your Harvest Festival items to us. Thank you very much, with love from the residents and staff. So well done. You will notice that our Year 8 pupils, some of them may be wearing one of these on their arm, like this. This is to show that they are a prefect for the week. I have divided Year 8 into 3 prefects teams, which means that they are on duty 1 week in every 3. They have a range of duties. They ring the bell for the start and finish of break and for the end of school. They help bringing the trays up from the games field. And in time, hopefully, we'll be able to develop these duties. Most importantly, they are leading by example. So they know that even when they're just in Year 8, they lead by example, but it's very special if they are wearing a prefect's armband. So that is what a prefect. They can't punish you, they can't tell you off, they can encourage you to do things. So for example, in the morning I have 2, one on the top corridor and one on the bottom corridor, who will be encouraging you to be in your classrooms and following the one-way system. But most of all, they lead by example. So another week, let's make sure that we continue to work hard. Let's make sure that we're responsible to each other. And most of all, let's respect each other with how we deal with these strange circumstances in which we continue to live. Thank you.